Hi guys, we're here sa SM Megamall because I got invited again to another advanced screening, and this time it's for Project Hail Mary. Thank you so much Columbia Pictures Philippines and AdPub Hub for inviting me again to another advanced screening. I can't wait to watch the movie. I haven't read the book, but I know what it's about. So, let's see. Parang feeling ko rin mas magugustuhan ko yung movie kasi I don't really read sci-fi. I actually don't watch sci-fi din or action movies, but a lot of people said na they liked the trailer and they liked the book. So, hopefully, I feel like I'm gonna like this one too, even though it's not my usual na genre. But right now, we're just eating sa Yabu. We're gonna have dinner here muna and then go na sa IMAX. Hopefully, our order arrives ng maaga because we only have 1 hour left before the movie starts. To the 4th floor.
Project Hail Mary is an epic journey of science. Joining us tonight. May you please stand up when your name is called so we can...
We're now here sa loob ng Metro Supermarket. Gonna look for Matt's breakfast tomorrow. Ayan no, breakfast mo. Oatmeal. You can try cereals. Guys, this is what I eat for breakfast whenever I wake up early.
Oh, you like the cookies?
By the way guys, look at my lashes. Kakarating lang nito kanina. I ordered it sa TikTok shop. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Cluster lashes ng BQI. The variant I got was blue. So, hindi ko alam. Basta yung color blue. Check the link down below for these
Where's the bacon?
cluster lashes. Sobrang dali lang pala niyang ilagay. It took me less than 5 minutes. Tsaka parang dumidikit talaga siya. Like, it lasts long. Hindi siya natatanggal. Hindi siya nahuhulog. What's that? Anong klaseng?
Bacon.
No, I mean...
Honey here.
okay. Okay, what else do you want, Leon? I don't know, do you want this meatballs? Pork katsu. You wanna try this?
I tried that.
Okay, you don't like it?
I like it. Well, like
Chicken drumettes. How about chicken katsu? Ayan no, there's chicken katsu. Okay, I love chicken katsu. That's what I had kanina sa Yabu. Actually, I also had it for lunch. Yung ganyan lang din na frozen.
yeah.
So I had it twice today, both lunch and dinner. May monster truck. Okay, this is what Matt ended up getting. Kumuha lang siya nitong non-fat milk, cereals, chicken drumettes, and bacon. So this is his breakfast na for 1 week. Hi guys, we're just gonna check FullyBooked real quick bago umuwi. It's already 8:42. Okay, we're almost here. I didn't expect it to be here kasi ilang beses na ako nag-check tas laging wala. Finally, it's here.
Is this the second book? Or
No, that's the third. This is the second book. This is the third. This is yung other book, Strange Houses. Pero wala pala sila ng Strange Pictures. But that's the one I have. Kailangan ko muna basahin yung Strange Pictures.
So you haven't read it yet?
No.
Since the time you got it?
No. So, once na nabasa ko yung Strange Pictures, pag nabasa ko yung Strange Pictures, that's the time I will allow myself to buy Strange Buildings if nagustuhan ko siya.
You do have this book?
No, I don't have it. But how do you know that I know that book?
Because I keep hearing the Abby.
Yeah, from me?
Yeah.
She writes good books. Gusto ko yung writing style niya. So, madami na ako nabasa na romance books niya. Ayan no, ito. Strange Pictures, Strange Houses, Strange Buildings. Pero I need to read Strange Pictures muna. Tapos saka ko mafe-feel na I deserve to buy Strange Buildings.